How to see who you liked on Tinder. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can see who you liked on Tinder. So let's find out if it is possible to see your likes history. The first step is to open the Tinder app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, there is no direct button where you can get all of your like history on Tinder, but there is some workaround. Remember that in order for these methods to work, you have to subscribe to the paid membership. Now, there are different plans that you have that you can select, for example, for 1 week or 1 month. Now, with Tinder Plus Gold or Platinum membership, you will have the Rewind feature. This feature will allow you to see profiles you have swiped left on. This feature allows you to undo your last swipe and revisit the profile. However, note that you can only see the most recent profile that you have swiped on. Now, next thing you can do is searching in the match list. You want to tap on this icon over here. When you match with someone on Tinder, you can search for their profile again in the match list. You want to tap on the search bar and then enter the profile name of the person you liked and matched with. Now, their name should appear on the screen. Tap on their name to open the chat box. Then you want to click on their profile icon to see their profile again. So these are some ways on how you can see who you liked on Tinder, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.